Vishwamitra, Ram and Lakshman, they took camp just outside Mithila city. In this Ram Katha, there is mention of 3 special cities. First is Ayodhya, the second is Mithila, and the third is Lanka. So Ayodhya has got by and large all nice people. But there is one Manthara and Kaikeyi as well. Lanka has got all bad people, all demons. But there is one Vibhishar and Sushen. And Mithila is a very special Nagari, where all are Tattva Jnanis. They were all like their king Janak. They were worshippers of the formless, followers of Gyan Marg. So King Janak got the news that Mahamuni Vishwamitra has come to his city along with 2 Rajkumars. Vishwamitra Mahamuni aaye, samachar Mithilapati paaye. So King Janak came along with Shatanand to welcome Vishwamitra. What happened is described so perfectly by Tulsidas Ji Maharaj. That is why in this Ramcharitmanas, he is actually given the essence of Bhakti Siddhant and the essence of all the scriptures. So King Janak came. He saw Vishwamitra and he saw 2 Rajkumars. And Murati Madhura Manohara Vekhi Bhayo Videha Viseshi. King Janak has got a title in our Shastras, Videharaj. There's one Videharaj Nimi, who in the Bhagavad received the 9 Yogishwars and received knowledge from them. But he is not as famous as the father of Mother Sita. So the mother of the universe has chosen him to be her father. That is Janak. Janak's state was such that the world has no impact upon him. One hand is on the fire and Janak's mind is in Samadhi. Once, when Janak was in his Guru's ashram studying Brahma Gyan, the other disciples developed the doubt that why does Gurudev respect him so much and make him sit right in front? Because he is a king, that is why Gurudev is buttering him up. So Gurudev understood the doubt in their minds. By Yoga Maya Shakti, he created an illusion that a fire has started in Janakpuri, the capital of Janak. So the Raj Karmacharis came running. They said, Maharaj, your Rajdhani is burning. Janak heard and he turned his head. Gurudev, Kim Tat Brahma? Please continue your definition of Brahma. Another party came, Maharaj, your Ranivas is burning. Janak said, Na me kinchan dahyati. Nothing of mine is burning. Gurudev, please continue explaining Brahma. Nevertheless, the whole episode got over. Now Gurudev made it seem as if the ashram has caught fire. So there were brahmacharis sitting around. They were having their langoti drying on the clothesline. They ran, oh my God, my langoti must be burning, I need to save it. So they left the Brahma Vidya class and ran. Just like sometimes I feel so amused that I tell everybody keep your mobile off, but some people don't. And they leave the katha to listen to the mobile. Beti, yes. So this is how those brahmacharis ran. They came back. Guruji did not say anything. Later on he said, my dear children, you had the doubt that he is a big man, that is why he is getting more respect. Look at his yearning for Brahma Vidya. It was a matter of one langoti and you ran, leaving Brahma Vidya. And his whole Rajdhani was burning. But his interest in Brahma Gyan did not reduce. He is the adhikari of Brahma Gyan. So that was the status of Janak. So Janak now went. He did not know that Ram and Lakshman are Brahma themselves. He only saw Murati Madhura Manohara Vekhi Bhayo Videha Videha Viseshi. He's become even more Videh. And he's just looking at them. Inhahi Vilokat Ati Anuraga Barabasa Brahma Sukhahi Manatyaga. He has got Ati Anurakt. One is attachment, Rag. One is deep attachment, Anurag. And one is Ati, extreme attachment. Janak has got extremely attached and he is just looking at Ram and Lakshman. So Janak started wondering, what is happening to me? Sahaja viraga rupa manamora thakit hot jimi chandra chakora. Janak thought, my mind is sahaj virakt. I don't need to remove it from the world. My mind is free of attachments to even one atom. Why am I getting attached to these two Rajkumars? The mind says, keep on looking, keep on looking. Like the chakor is attached to the Chandrama, that is what I am experiencing. So Janak cannot understand what is going on. On one side, I'm completely detached. On one side, I've got attached to these two Rajkumars who have come with Vishwamitra. Now he analyzes. Brahma jo nigama neti kahi gava ubhaya rupa dhari ki soi ava. Is it that the Brahma whom I used to worship as Nirakar, as formless light, that Brahma has come as Sakar? In other words, this is my same Ishtadev, that Brahma. Very perfectly analyzed. Ramam Vidhi Param Brahma Satchidanandam Advayam. Valmiki Ramayana. Ram's body is not made of Panch Mahabhut. He is Satchidanand Parabrahma. So, the whole episode reveals that Brahma or God is both Nirakar and Sakar. This is from where Shivji began the Ram Katha to Parvati. He said, Agunahi Sagunahi Nahi Kachu Veda. But the difference is in the ras. That is why in the Bhagavad as well, Shukadev Ji Maharaj, the putra of Vedavyas, Mahamuni, he was sitting in the Samadhi of Gyan Marg. His mind was Nirvikalp. This Nirvikalp means that by Gyan Marg, you have gone beyond the body. You have gone beyond the mind. You have gone beyond the intellect. And then you cut the ego. When you cut the ego, the Triputi, Gyata, Gyeya and Gyan, this finishes. That is called Nirvikalp Samadhi. Now the mind stops thinking. The whole Antahkarana is resting on the Nirakar Brahma. So in that Gyan Marg Samadhi, there is no Dvait, no duality. That Jnani, whatever he hears, whatever sees, I. यत्र हि द्वैतमिव भवति तदितरेतरं जिघ्रति तदितरेतरं पश्यति तदितरेतरं शृणोति तदितरेतरं अभिवदति तदितरेतरं मनुते तदितरेतरं विजानाति यत्र वास्य सर्वमात्मैवा भूत् तत्केनकं जिघ्रेत् तत्केनकं पश्येत् तत्केनकं शृणुयात् तत्केनकं अभिवदेत् तत्केनकं मन्वीत तत्केनकं विजानीयात् येनेदं सर्वं विजानाति तं केनकं विजानीयात् विज्ञातारमरेकेन विजानीयादिति. Whatever he sees, I. Whatever he thinks, I. Whatever he hears, I. So that was the samadhi of Shukadev. And Vedavyas played a move. He related a shlok of the beauty of the Sakar form of God. Varrapidam natavaravapu karnayo karnikaram. Lord Krishna is coming in the evening time along with the cows. The cow dust has fallen on his body. His peacock crown is fluttering in the wind. His yellow pitambar is flowing down the shoulders. His curly hair is coming down. The murli is on his lips and he is blowing on it and calling the gopis by their names. So when Shukadev heard that shlok in his samadhi, actually nothing could have gone in. Such deep was his samadhi, but it was a divine shlok. So it entered his divine samadhi. And that light which Shukadev had been meditating upon, that suddenly became Sri Krishna's Swarup. So Shukadev left his samadhi and went to Vedavyas to hear the whole Bhagavatam. And that was the Bhagavatam he related to Parikshit. So Janak Maharaj is experiencing the same thing. All my life I worshipped the Nirakar light. And when I have seen Sakar Bhagavan, I have got pulled. So why do you get pulled? The bliss you get from Brahma, the formless, is called Brahmanand. And the same Brahma, when he comes in his personal form as Bhagavan, the bliss you get is Premanand. So Brahmanand is also infinite. It is not marginal or negligible. It is the bliss of God. And Premanand is also infinite. But the difference is in the ras. Just like there's a difference between gul and shakkar and chini and mishri, between jaggery, molasses, brown sugar, sugar and sugar candy. They are all the same thing, but the ras keeps on changing. Just like there is the mango tree. It has got its branches, its twigs, its leaves, its fruit. They are all part of one tree. And yet, the fruit, its taste, its relish is far beyond the leaves. If one person is sitting and eating mango leaves, you will say, crazy guy. He's leaving the fruit and eating the leaves. And the other guy, he's sitting and relishing the mango, smart person. So similarly, Vedavyas in the Bhagavatam has written a very important verse. Between Bhakti Marg and Gyan Marg, there is often this question, which path will lead to a higher realization? Which surpasses the other in excellence? You don't criticize anything, but which is super excellent? So Shukadev Maharaj says, Atma Ramascha Munayo Nirgrantha Apyurukrame Kurvantya Haitukim Bhakti Mitham Bhuta Guno Harihi. such Gyanis who became Jivan Mukt, Amalatma, Poonkam, Param Nishkam, Nirgranth. Such Paramahansas like Shukadev, like Janak Maharaj, even they, when they relish a little drop of the Premanand, they become detached to Brahmanand. So, after experiencing Brahmanand, if they became detached for something else, what does it mean? That Premanand is the highest bliss that you can get from God. So King Janak's resplendent example in the Ram Katha. So Vishwamitra introduced them as two princes who have come from Ayodhya. Janak said, Maharaj, please proceed to our palace and reside there.